DMV dance family.
Hey.
It's the dance for me. We are back from visiting you this past weekend. We had a great time. We tried our best to dance with everybody who was in the workshop. So if you missed the dance, it's because either you left early or you didn't ask, because I know I danced with everybody I could who was at the place.
I did.
And so, we had a wonderful time.
Unless they left.
We had a wonderful time, but we thoroughly enjoyed you guys. And as promised, we're going to come back. And this is a 3-part video. This is just one where we just want to say, hey, thank you for inviting us, and we had a wonderful time. And then Tanya's going to lead me through the things that she taught her group, and I'm going to lead Tanya through the things that I taught my group. So like I said, everything we do, we're going to put out here for you because we really want you to get it. And I'm going to even take the person's suggestion because we didn't really get to part 3. I'm going to do part 3. So when the next time I come back up, because we're working on that now, to see if y'all watch this ahead of time and y'all practice. So we look forward to you. We're going to see you in just a few seconds in the next couple videos. Tanya's going to lead me, and I'm going to lead Tanya. So hopefully y'all catch all 3 of our videos. But again, thank you so much for having us. We had a wonderful and blessed time.
Yes. Guess what? It's the dance for what? Me and you.